Hello everyone, once again welcome to this series on basic kanji learning. Today we are going to learn next 5 kanjis in this series. Let me share my screen and we'll start. The first kanji in this series is Yama or San. The kun reading for the kanji is Yama and on reading is San. This is the kanji of a mountain. If you can see, this looks like a mountain. Yama is mountain. Yamada-san. Yamada is a surname in Japanese. Yamada, that name also has this kanji. Then Kazan is volcano. This Ka is for fire and this is the kanji of mountain. That gives the word Kazan, which is volcano. Then Yamakaji is forest fire. Kaji is fire and Fuji-san is Mount Fuji. So this kanji having 3 strokes, 1, 2 and 3 is the kanji for mountain. Next one is the kanji of river. River is Kawa or Sen. If you see this kanji, these are 3 vertical lines, something like a water stream. You can relate it to a picture of a flowing water, that is river. Yamakawa is again a Japanese surname in which you have Yama and Kawa, these kanjis. Then Kawagishi. Kawagishi is riverside. And Indasugawa is Indus River. Okay. Name of the river, Indus. Next one is rice field. Simple kanji, easy to remember. It's just a square divided into 4 squares. Den or ta. Tambo is rice field. Yamada-san is, again, Yamada is a surname. Suiden is other word for rice field. This kanji is of water, Suiden. Yuden, this U is a kanji of oil. Yuden is oil field. And Taue is rice planting. Okay, Taue is rice planting. As we all know that rice field has a lot of water in which the rice is planted. That's why it is called as Sweden. Okay. Then the next kanji, now we are going to start learning kanjis for different days. As we all know that all the days of the week are related to some elements. First day in the week is Sunday, which is related to sun. Nichi, ni or jitsu. He or be. Interesting fact about this kanji is this kanji has multiple readings in the same sentence. I will share the link below this video. Please go through that link, read that post where you can see that same kanji, how it can read in different way in different words. Okay. Then he is the sun. Nichiyobi is Sunday. Nihon is Japan. Mainichi. Mai is every day. Mainichi. And Kyujitsu, holiday. This kanji is of Yasumi. That is rest or break. Kyujitsu, holiday. And Kyo is today. Ima and day. Ima, he. Kyo is today. Okay. And the last one for today is the kanji for moon or month. Kanji for moon is very similar to the kanji for sun. Only thing is these strokes are extended here. Okay. So you can remember it like a crescent of a moon. Okay. Visualize the crescent and from that you will be able to remember this kanji better. Getsu or Gatsu and Tsuki. Now, Getsu and Gatsu, these are the words used in the context of month. In the names of the month, we have Gatsu. For example, Ichigatsu. From January to December, in the days of the month, we use this as gatsu. But otherwise, when we are referring to a month, we use it as getsu. For example, kongetsu is this month. Raigetsu is next month. Maitsuki is every month. This is a specific word which you have to remember specifically. It's not maigetsu, but it's maitsuki. Okay. And tsuki is moon or month. So Ichigatsu. Similarly, you have Nigatsu, Sangatsu, Shigatsu till Junigatsu. Then Getsu Yobi is Monday. Kongetsu is this month. Tsuki is moon. Maitsuki every month. And Raigetsu is next month. So the 5 kanjis which we have learned just now are this one, Yama or San. Then Sen or Kawa. Den or Ta. Nichi, Ni, Jitsu, He or Be. Getsu, Gatsu or Tsuki. We will continue to learn the kanjis of next days in the next video. See you there. Thank you.